To fix AT&T Internet constantly disconnecting, follow this quick and simple guide to troubleshoot the issue. First, restart your router and modem by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues by resetting the devices. Next, check your internet plan and ensure it can support your devices and usage. If your plan is too slow or cannot handle the number of devices connected, consider upgrading to a faster plan. Also, inspect your cables and connections for any damage or loose connections. Replace any damaged cables and secure all connections to prevent signal loss. Check for physical obstructions or interference from other devices that may be causing the disconnections. Move your router to a central location and keep it away from walls and other obstacles. Additionally, update your router's firmware to the latest version to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. If you are using a wireless connection, try switching to a wired connection to see if the issue persists. This will help determine if the problem is with your router or the wireless signal. Also, check for malware or viruses on your devices that may be causing the disconnections. Run a virus scan and install antivirus software to protect your devices. Finally, contact AT&T support if none of the above steps resolve the issue. They can help you troubleshoot the problem or send a technician to your location to diagnose and fix the issue. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily troubleshoot and fix AT&T Internet constantly disconnecting, getting you back online in no time.